In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute various measures of central tendency from a given data set, and we are going to do this problem together. And here's our data, and we're going to find all three measures of central tendency. And to find, let's start with the mean. To find the mean, we have to add all the values. And divide the sum by the number of observations, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At least dividing would be easy. 6 plus 12 is 18, 18 plus 12 is 30, 39, 44, 57, 62, 72, 78, 93. So we divide 93 by 10 and we get 9.3. To find the median, we are going to list all of the same observations in increasing order. So we're going to list 5, 6, 6, 9. This is the hardest part though. 9, 9, 10, 12, 12, 13, 15. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the middle observation. Since the number of observations in the data set is 10, that means there is no middle one. The middle is between the middle two observations. And to actually find the median, we take the average of the middle two. So 19 divided by 2 is 9.5. So 9.5 is the median. And finally, to find the mode, and mode may not exist if all observations have the same frequency, but to find the mode means to list the observation with the highest frequency. So the frequency of 5 is 1, so we're kind of constructing a frequency distribution table. The frequency of 6 is 2, the frequency of 9 is 2, the frequency of 10 is 1, the frequency of 12 is 2, the frequency of 13 is 1, the frequency of 15 is 1, the highest frequency is 2, and observations that have the highest frequency are what we call a mode or modes. And so there are 3 modes altogether. Uh, 6, 9, and 12. There is one mean, 9.3, and there is one median, 9.5. Following these instructions, I'm going to add another 0 there and press submit. Okay, let's add this again. 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 12, 30, 39, 44, 57, 66, 76, 83, 83, 98. Huh. So looks like it's 98 over 10 after all. And this will be 9.8. Let's see if that's correct. All right, I'm just going to go grab a calculator and add 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5 plus 13 plus 9 plus 10 plus 6 plus 15. What is that? Equal to 97. Okay. Looks like the correct answer is going to be, after all, 97 divided by 10, which is 9.7. So the lesson is don't do mental math when you have a calculator. All right, everything is good. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try a similar question, look for this link in the description of the video.